Now that you have your basic email ready, let's take a deeper dive into the editor and explore some cool features. First, you'll be able to customize content block layouts with our swap feature. Just click swap and you can switch the image and text placement. The editor also gives you the ability to add your own pictures to your email and edit them. To add your own image, click the picture you would like to change. Then in the left-hand panel, select Replace. Choose your own image and press Upload. You'll also be able to add links to your image by typing or pasting the link into the required section. Does the image need a little bit of a touch-up? We've made that process easy by giving you the ability to crop, enhance, brighten, focus your photos, and more right inside the editor. Maybe you'd like to change some of the colors of your email. You can change the row colors by pushing the color button to the right of the row. Then you can choose from a list or get a custom color. You can even change the background of the entire email by going to the Page Style tab and then Background. Next, let's take a look at the theme of the email, which affects things such as the color of the buttons and the button text. If you want to change the theme, go to Page Style and then under the Theme section, change the primary and secondary colors. The default colors usually match the template you've chosen, so be careful when changing these features. Don't forget that everything saves automatically, but you can always use the Undo or Redo button in the top panel. You can even select the clock icon to choose a specific task to undo. Lastly, you have the ability to edit your footer information. To edit this info, hover over the footer and select Click to Edit. Then on the left-hand panel, you'll be able to change your business information. Now that we've explored these additional features, start customizing your email campaign now.